Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you 3 sites that you're going to make money with instantly. These platforms offer a multitude of tasks catering to various interests and skills, ensuring there is something for everyone. Stick around as I guide you through these platforms and what you can anticipate from them. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I dedicate on sharing insights on how you can make money online worldwide as an African or Asian or from anywhere else in the world. So without further ado, let's deep dive into these sites. First off, we have an internationally accessible platform that has a wide array of payout options. From completing app offers to participating in surveys and games, there is a diverse range of tasks to choose from. This website is flexible and it allows you to complete your task on your iOS, Android device, your phone, or your desktop. Imagine earning around $100 for completing a single task, plus with the payout options including PayPal, cryptocurrency, and popular gaming gift cards. The earning potential with this site is limitless. The site is called earnnut.com and I will leave the link in the description below. Next on the list is another exceptional platform with a global reach and abundance of offers. Whether you are into gaming, surveys, or quizzes, this platform has you covered. They have partnered up with major offer walls, and this platform ensures a constant stream of tasks, allowing you to unlock new earning opportunities as you go. And they have payout options ranging from PayPal, Visa to cryptocurrency and gaming gift cards. The name of the website is called earnlab.com. I will leave the link in the description below and check them out. Last but not least, let's talk about Red Monkey. This is another platform that has a lot of offers for you to make money from. They have tons of game surveys and offers to choose from. Whether you prefer gaming on your mobile device or answering surveys on your desktop, Red Monkey has something for everyone. Their payout options include cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and others, also Amazon and Spotify. Plus, they are accessible worldwide, so check them out. What sets this website apart from others is that they have an instant payment method. They also have a minimum withdrawal threshold and hassle-free cash out processes. You can also access your earnings whenever you want, and if it is not enticing enough, all 3 platforms offer lucrative affiliate programs that you can check out by simply referring your friends and family. The reviews of this platform have been generally positive, but remember, it is always wise to do your own research and explore what works best for you. If this doesn't work for you, you can check out other websites and apps to make money as soon as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.